World No Tobacco Day. So what do you like to say?
Yeah, tobacco is the main cause of many diseases, specifically in India and in rural belt, due to unhindered and uncontrolled tobacco use. And it not only causes cancer, it causes lot of diseases. And today we are conducting No Tobacco Day in the school to provide an awareness that tobacco is the cause of most of the disease. Please refrain from starting tobacco. The school students are chosen because they are the future generation. They will replace the new generation, the present generation in a few years. So if we can drive into them that the tobacco is very bad, so this message will go to the media, to the family, then to the society and to the media as well. And ACCF, Assam Cancer Care Foundation, is the organization which is providing quality cancer care in many districts of Assam. It is a Tata Trust and Assam government's initiation. And here the patients are being treated mostly free of cost. And we not only counsel, we give them palliative therapy also. And so this day we really feel proud to represent ACCF, because ACCF is the forefront of giving knowledge, sharing awareness, creating awareness for cancer care, and also not to smoke, which is the main cause of cancer.
So we'd like to know your name, please. The name, please.
I am Dr. Kailash Chandra Mishra.
So you are being here as a doctor, a physician, as an organization person, whatever.
No. I am not as a organization person. Actually, I have come to create awareness with the people in collaboration with the district state tobacco control department. So I am a guest here.
सरकार से अनुरोध करना चाहता है क्या वो अभी तक ये तंबाकू और सिगरेट अभी तक बंद नहीं किया है?
नहीं, ये तो मुश्किल बात है। ये तो हम तो गवर्नमेंट को कहते हैं कि टोबैको सेल बंद हो, लेकिन टोबैको की सेल एक और टोबैको की प्रोडक्शन और टोबैको की कंजप्शन एक कैच-22 पोजीशन वाला है। मतलब हाँ ना में रह जाता है, क्योंकि टोबैको गवर्नमेंट बंद नहीं कर सकती है, लेकिन स्ट्रॉन्ग लेजिस्लेशन से टोबैको कंजप्शन बंद किया जा सकता है। और अभी भी जैसे आप देखेंगे पंजाब में हेड एंड नेक कैंसर 0 है, क्योंकि वो लोग टोबैको यूज़ नहीं करते हैं। तो ये मन में भावना होना चाहिए कि टोबैको प्रोडक्शन हो, लेकिन हम टोबैको यूज़ नहीं करें। अल्कोहल हो, लेकिन हम अल्कोहल कंजप्शन नहीं करें। ये नहीं कि होता है तो हम ये करेंगे। बहुत सारी चीज़ है, वी डोंट डू, इवन इट इज अवेलेबल। सो दैट प्लेस एंड पीपल शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट द not taking or not indulging smoking or other things which really causes health hazards and create problem for the society.
Thank you.